So today we will do the last topic of this chapter, solid chapter, last topic. This is your magnetic properties of solids. So depending on the behavior of solids in magnetic field, we can classify solid substances into 5 types: diamagnetic substances, paramagnetic substances, ferromagnetic substances, antiferromagnetic substances, and ferrimagnetic substances. So to start with diamagnetic substances, you got this in HS first year also. So these substances are weakly repelled in magnetic field. This is because they have paired electrons. All electrons are paired. ইলেকট্রন বোর্ড জোড় পাতি থাকে, সো দে আর উইকলি রিপালশন হয় ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ডত। এক্সাম্পল আছে তোরা তোমার ওয়াটার, NaCl, বেনজিনো আছে, এনেকুৱা এক্সাম্পল আছে ডায়ামেগনেটিক। নেক্সট ইউ মুভ টু প্যারাম্যাগনেটিক সাবস্টেন্সেস। প্যারাম্যাগনেটিক সাবস্টেন্স মানে কি? দে আর উইকলি অ্যাট্রাক্টেড ইন দ্য ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ড। ডায়াম্যাগনেটিক রিপেলড, হেয়ার অ্যাট্রাক্টেড. This is because they have unpaired electrons. They have one or more unpaired electrons. See, the spin is randomized. This is not aligned. Spin bile ulta pulta ase, dekha na ulta pulta ase, randomly ase aru. So due to the presence of these unpaired electrons, substances are attracted weakly in magnetic field, and these are called paramagnetic substances. Example, oxygen best example, iron Fe2 plus 3 plus দুটাই হয় Cu2 plus, এইবিলাক example আৰু paramagnetic substance. This also you studied in HS first year তোমালোকে পঢ়িছিলা এইটো. Now let us move to ferromagnetic substances. This is new, এইটো তোমালোকে ফার্স্ট ইয়ার পোৱা নাছিলা। ferromagnetic substances বা ferromagnetism phenomenon to. So these substances are strongly attracted in magnetic field, very strongly attracted in magnetic field, very strongly. This is because they are magnetic dipoles. This is these electrons, unpaired electrons, you may consider this as a magnetic dipole. That is, there is a certain area in which magnetic field works, and this field is called your this field can be recognized or can be termed as a magnetic dipole. So this is one magnetic dipole. The magnetic dipoles are arranged spontaneously, or we can say the magnetic dipoles are spontaneously aligned in the same direction. So এনেকুৱা align হৈ আছে, so they will sum up or they will add up to give a net magnetic moment. Net magnetic moment eta value thakibo, due to which these substances are strongly attracted in the magnetic field, and this is called ferromagnetic substances. Now you see here also unpaired electron or magnetic dipoles, but this is randomized. Randomness is there, but here these are aligned in the same direction, so they can add up. Here the spin is randomized, that is why they are weakly attracted, but here strongly attracted. Now if you heat, if temperature is increased, ferromagnetic substances are converted into paramagnetic substances above a definite temperature. That is spin gets randomized. So the temperature above which ferromagnetic substances gets converted into paramagnetic substances is called Curie temperature. Remember this Curie temperature. So best examples are iron, cobalt, nickel. Also, since ferromagnetic substances are strongly attracted in magnetic field, they are used to make permanent magnets. We can make permanent magnets from ferromagnetic substances. Then your antiferromagnetic substances. So in antiferromagnetic substances, the magnetic dipoles are aligned in opposite direction to each other. This is magnetic moment, this is magnetic moment upward, this is downward. So this will be cancelled by this zero magnetic moment. This will be cancelled by this zero magnetic moment. So net magnetic moment is 0, and such substances are called anti-ferromagnetic substances. So they are repelled by magnetic field, weakly repelled, because net magnetic moment is 0. Example is manganese oxide. Next, your ferrimagnetic substances. In ferrimagnetic substances, the magnetic moments are arranged in parallel and anti-parallel direction in unequal numbers. ধরা দুটা আপওয়ার্ড আছে, এটা ডাউনওয়ার্ড, আকৌ দুটা আপওয়ার্ড আছে, এটা ডাউনওয়ার্ড. সো দুটা আপওয়ার্ডে এটা ডাউনওয়াৰ্ড কমপ্লিট কেঞ্চেল কৰিব নোৱাৰে. দুটা আপওয়ার্ডে এটা ডাউনওয়ার্ড কমপ্লিট কেঞ্চেল কৰিব নোৱাৰে. গতিকে দেয়াৰ ইজ এ নেট মেগনেটিক মুভমেণ্ট, and so such substances are weakly attracted in magnetic field. These are called ferrimagnetic substances. Example is Fe3O4 or MgFe2O4. These are the best example. So with this we complete this chapter, solid state.